CamWorks is the best CAM software on the market today. When you need to machine complex contoured surfaces, CamWorks 3-axis mill combines speed, power, efficiency, and ease of use to create an unbeatable solution. It's integrated seamlessly into SolidWorks, and all of your CAM data is saved right in the same file with the CAD data, providing an end-to-end solution that makes both designing and machining simple. CamWorks 3-axis machining provides a complete and powerful set of cutting strategies, including roughing, pencil milling, finishing, and engraving. It also includes advanced features such as rest milling and constant step-over machining. All toolpaths support high-speed machining capabilities, which deliver improved surface finishes and faster machining times for your molds, tools, dies, and complex parts. CamWorks utilizes its powerful feature-based machining using both solid model faces and surfaces. By supporting the creation of multiple features, you have total control over the areas you want to machine. With feature-based machining and the customizable technology database, you can create and reapply your company's best machining practices from part to part. The result is faster programming times, consistency, and confidence in each job. CamWorks uses its process manager to manage the generation of 3-axis toolpaths. CamWorks uses multi-threading technology to provide fast toolpath computation times, while at the same time allowing you to continue to work in other areas of CamWorks. CamWorks Simulation displays all the cutting moves for accurate process simulation and collision checking. The check is done at each calculated tool position and gives you confidence in your code before you even begin machining. CamWorks has been working with machine tool manufacturers for over 20 years, making sure your NC code works as expected. With CamWorks 3-axis mill, you get fast, error-free toolpaths, quickly and easily, that give you consistent results.